Here I am. Will you send me an angel? Here I am, in the land of the morning star. And so on. Well, hi there pluckers, I will saw things again with you with my final part 3 of my lessons on Send Me an Angel from the Scorpions, and this one just covers purely the chorus, the final part of the puzzle. Okay, very simple, nothing too difficult for you here. So starts off with an F sharp minor. I'm playing a simple F sharp minor. You can play a bar chord if you want, okay, barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then the fretting the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string with the 3rd finger and pinky. 5 down to 1. So just a single strum will do with some nice picking around. There's no definite pattern, you just pick around. Something like that. Yeah. Then I'm going to an E chord, straightforward E chord. Again, strum, pick around a bit. Like that. Then we go to a C sharp minor. Now I'm playing a bar chord C sharp minor, so a bar in the 4th fret with the single finger there, 1st finger, and a minor shape. If you can't manage bar chord, then just play a simple C sharp minor. That's like an A minor shape using those fingers. Move it up to the 5th and 6th frets there. And just put your 1st finger on the 4th fret of the top E string. Okay, 4 down to 1 in that case. Okay, so it's, if you're playing it that way, it's again, it's strum, pick around a bit, something like that. Then a D chord and an E chord. All those single strums on each one there. So it's here I am, will you send me an angel? Repeat. Here I am, in the land of the morning. Finish up on the F sharp minor, and single strum there. Pause, and then off we go again. Intro or another verse, whatever you want to put in there. Okay. So there you have it. So that's my take on Send Me an Angel from the Scorpions as a campfire song. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.